Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Southern Smoked Club. First thing we're going to need for this dish is a pimento cheese. So as you can see in this bowl, I have 2 cups of extra sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded in my food processor. Please note, you will actually need to shred block cheese. If you don't have a food processor with the attachment, you will have to use the box shredder. The reason you're going to have to use block cheese and shred it by hand is that if you take the pre-shredded bag stuff, that has, I forget what it's called, but it's something that prevents the cheese from sticking together, so it won't work quite that well. And then you want to take a 8-ounce block of cream cheese and place it in there. Okay, then you want to add a half a cup of mayo. And then you want to add a 1/4 teaspoon each onion powder and garlic powder. And then you want to take 1 jalapeno pepper that you've diced up. Then you want to take a 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder or cayenne pepper. If you can't get chipotle powder where you live, cayenne is a perfect substitute. Somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon. I added a little bit more because I wanted this a little bit more spicy. And then you want to take a 4-ounce jar of pimentos that you've drained and add that. And of course, to everything we cook, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Again, that's pretty much to taste, because for God's sakes, taste things while you're cooking them. And then you just want to mix this around until everything becomes incorporated. Let the mixer do the work. Okay, and when it resembles something looking like this, that's it, you're done. Put it in a bowl, cover it, and leave it in the fridge, set it aside. You can obviously, of course, make this the day before. But I would give it at least an hour or 2 in the fridge before you use it, before you make your sandwiches. All right, let's start making our sandwiches. Okay, so you can see I've got that pimento cheese on one slice of the bread and turkey on the other. The turkey is just regular roasted, like oven roasted deli turkey. That I basically put on a tray, brought out to my smoker, and basically blasted it with smoke for about 20 minutes. Just enough so the smoke can kiss it. Obviously, I didn't want to keep cooking the turkey. It's already cooked. And then I'm just laying down some salami, and then these slices are going to go into a 400-degree oven until basically the cheese starts to melt. About, 5 to 10 minutes. Use your judgment. So yeah, we'll see these when they come out. All right, and through the magic of cooking show editing, as you can see, they are done. The cheese is melted, and everything is ready for basically assembly. All right, so first thing we're going to do is add some diced red onions. Then some roughly chopped iceberg lettuce. Okay, that's all we're going to do. Just going to take the other slice and put it on top. And then we'll be ready to serve it up. Okay, so we're just about ready to give this a slice down the middle and see what we got. So that is a Southern Smoked Club sandwich with turkey, salami, and a nice pimento cheese. And really simple to do, really easy to do. So that's a Southern Smoked Club. Done.